What's up, guys? I'm going to show y'all real quick how we use retargeting strategies to maximize your budget. Typically when you're doing pay-per-click ads, you only have so much of a budget that you want to use per month. And right now, I'm going to use one of my DWI attorneys as an example. So right now, one of my DWI attorneys in Houston has a $5,000 monthly budget to do advertising on Google ads. So right now, we want to get on Google and we want to get in this top position as an ad, and we're currently paying $100 per click. We're gonna pay $100 to get somebody to click and land on our website. So if I'm paying $100 a click and my budget is $5,000 a month, how many clicks is that gonna give me? It's gonna give me 50. So if I've got 50 clicks coming to my website, that equals $5,000. I've got 50 people to close to get ROI, to convert them to an acquisition so that my client can make money. And typically when you're closing at a 1 to 4% rate, sometimes it's not going to give you enough of what you need to do to show ROI, ROAS, and profit for the client. So what I like to do is retargeting because I can get a lot more effort from my dollar. So the way we do this is by pixel marketing. We put a pixel on our website. It's basically code. Google has Google Tag Manager. There's different code that we put on the website, similar to what you might recognize called cookies. So there's going to be a cookie on the website or a pixel on the website. So when somebody lands on the website that we're paying $100 a click for, we're going to capture their data and their information. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an ad, and I'm going to take that ad and go put it on Facebook. Facebook is going to allow me to put ads in front of people anywhere from 2 to 10 cents per impression based on what market or niche that we're going to be in. So if I've already spent $5,000 getting in front of these 50 people, when I go create an ad and I stick that ad over here on Facebook, let's just say I'm paying 10 cents to get in front of these people again. So the same 50 people that I marketed to up here that cost me $5,000, those same 50 people down here is now only going to cost me $5. So I invested the money to get that first initial click, and it kicked our ass. It was expensive as shit. But now, instead of retargeting those same people, I am now going to target them on Facebook only. Now it's going to cost me $5, and that's it. So we're going to continue to retarget them with ads. If we don't close them on the first ad, I'm going to stick another ad in front of them in 7 days. If they don't convert on that one, I'm going to stick another ad in front of them in 2 weeks. And we're going to continue to market to these 50 people right here. So that way we got our investment into them for $50. Now we're retargeting that same clientele. I'm sorry, not $50, $5,000. Now we're retargeting to them for $5. So it's a way to retarget, remarket to the same big masses at a lot more cost-effective rate. So that's how we maximize your dollar, by getting them to your website once, collecting them as a pixel, and then we retarget to them on other platforms for pennies on the dollar. Hope that's explanatory for you guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.